A new day and of course a new episode of our Ilmberger Carbon Shortcuts with a brand new piece in our hands. Julius, what did you brought us today?
Hi, we brought today the brand new wheel cover for the BMW M 1000RR.
So these wheel covers are already seen by all our spectators in the MotoGP or VSBK probably, but is this just for the M1000RR or also for other models implemented?
Well, by OEM side, it's really only for the M1000RR. But as you will see in a minute, we have a special mounting bracket which really allows us to mount it not only on the M, but also on the S1000RR, the S1000R, the M1000R and the S1000XR.
Oh,
all
wow.
street legal.
This is really good. Please show us how you mount it on the bike and which features does this wheel cover have in fact?
For this, I think we go best to the bike itself. And here you can see, first of all, the mounting bracket, which really goes over the foot of the fork. And on this, the wheel cover itself is mounted. And now the first question would be, of course, how stable is it? Because, you know, the wheel is turning fast at higher speeds. And you can see it's really stiff and all the part is really tight on the bike. So there's really not even a chance that it can touch the rim, so which really gives a high security on high speeds, which also allows us to have it street legal. About the feature of this part, why should one mount it on the bike next to the awesome look? You know, if the bike is spinning quickly at high speeds, you really have a lot of turbulences down here for the airflow going on the side. And this also takes away the air from the cooler and really brings a high air resistance with it. And now by mounting here a wheel cover, which is, I would say, in relation to the bike, not moving, you allow the air to flow more smoothly next to it, which gives you better cooling performance and less air resistance when driving.
So it's all about stability, it's all about aerodynamics and it's all about stiffness. This brand new part for different kind of S or M1000 models, double R, simple R, existing now, and it's really beautiful itself. I hope you enjoyed the last piece of our Ilmberger Carbon Shortcuts. Hope to see you soon again, and we say goodbye.
Best wishes from my side.